Are you tired of feeling bloated? Are you missing important events because of your gut issues? Or maybe you're just stuck in a cycle of low energy. Well, what if I told you that the key to vibrant health wasn't about just fixing your body? It's about aligning your body, mind, and spirit. That's the real game changer. Hi, my name is Catherine McAdam, and I'm a functional medicine nurse practitioner. And let me tell you, I have been where you are. Not too long ago, I found myself homeless with my three kids. I was overwhelmed, full of anxiety and self doubt. Worst of all, I was doubting my relationship with God. I was crushed by the shame of finding myself in that situation to begin with, let alone the extra 70 pounds I was carrying around. I felt stuck. Felt hopeless and had no idea what the next step was to just reclaiming my life and my health again. And that's why I created the Divine Gut Revival. I could have really used somebody like me that came alongside me and helped me walk out of that pit to find health and healing, wellness, body, mind, and spirit. The Divine Gut Revival is just that. It's me coming alongside you to help you find health and healing. Now, many programs out there may address the body part of health, they may address the mind part of health, but very few address the spiritual aspect. And that's why I feel like I had such great success, and so many of my patients as well. It's when you align yourself with the way God has designed your body to function and you embrace the spiritual aspect of that, it's a game changer. That's why I created the Divine Gut Revival, the 6-week journey to help you heal your gut, restore your energy, and step into that vibrant, abundant life that God has promised for us. This isn't just another program, it's a step-by-step plan that combines the latest in gut science, right? Functional medicine side of things with the biblical principles, which I feel they just combine perfectly. We address your root causes of your health struggles to find you freedom. When you join, you get everything you need to succeed. You get personalized meal plans, you get educational modules, faith based meditation and prayer, live coaching clinics with me, and lifetime access to all the materials. But the real miracle is how this program brings faith and health together. When you focus on your body, mind, and spirit as a whole, you unlock a level of healing and transformation that is just mind blowing. I've walked this road and I know it's not easy. You'll be learning and basically be put ahead of the line because you'll be avoiding the pitfalls and the mistakes and the barriers that I share with you that I had to learn to overcome. I will help you to break free of the bloating, the anxiety, the fatigue, and that self doubt. I want that for you. And you don't have to carry that weight of shame and frustration any longer. Together, we'll work toward a healthier, more vibrant version of you, one that reflects the abundant life that God has created you for. So, are you ready to take that next step? Go ahead and click below to restore your energy, heal your gut, and embrace the vibrant life that God has for you. Join me in the Divine Gut Revival Challenge, and let's take this journey together. Be blessed.